Now the next concept we are going to learn is something interesting. It is le déroulement de l'action. So the unwinding of the action. So we are going to explain the action in 3 different situations. Avant l'action, that is before the action can take place. Pendant l'action, as the action is taking place. And après l'action, after the action has taken place. So 3 different situations, that is before the action, during the action and after the action. So now first let us see avant l'action, before the action. So there are 2 ways. One is ne pas encore, that is not yet. Ne pas encore means not yet. Or aller plus verb, that is the futur proche, right? The aller plus verb. So the way to describe an action that has not yet taken place, that is before the action can take place, is either using ne pas encore, not yet, or aller plus verb form. So an example for this ne pas encore is, let us take an example of Valerie leaving. So Valerie ne saute pas encore. That means Valerie does not leave yet. Valerie ne saute pas encore. But however, here the action is not yet taken place. So we write this as Valerie n'est pas encore sortie. So Valerie has not yet left. So this should be in the passé composé, right? Valerie n'est pas encore sortie. She has not yet left. So it is before the action can take place. The next one, pendant l'action, during the action. So how do you write this? The form is être en train de plus the verb. So, and the example is elle. This comes as it is. En train de. So the verb can be se préparer. So now être here. So what is for elle? It is a. Right? The être conjugation for elle is a. Elle est en train de se préparer. So this is how you describe an action that is taking place. That is during the action, if you are describing it, elle est en train de se préparer. Être en train de plus verb. That is what you have to remember. So now we finished seeing how to describe an event before the action and during the action. Now after the action, so après l'action, after the action has taken place, you would explain it in the passé récent form. Venir de plus verb. Venir plus de plus the verb. So that is one form. Another form is using the verb déjà. Déjà means already. So this is another form to write and to describe an action after it has been completed. So So we started with by describing that Valerie is leaving. Before the action, Valerie n'est pas encore sortie. After the action, elle est déjà loin. She is already far. Elle est déjà loin. So now we know how to describe an action before it could take place, during the action, and after the action takes place. Avant l'action, pendant l'action, après l'action. So, before the action, there are two ways, ne pas encore and the aller plus verb form. During the action, it's just one rule, être en train de plus verb. After the action, there are two ways again, the passé récent, venir plus de plus verb, or we can use the word déjà. Déjà means already. So now we will do some exercises where we describe the verbs before, during and after the action.